DAOs are basically internet native organizations that are collectively owned and managed by their community who work towards a common goal. So DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. However, the vast majority of these are as yet neither decentralized nor autonomous, really. DAOs aim to be owned by their community, which usually anyone can join, rather than groups of shareholders, hence the term decentralized. They also aim to be governed by crypto treasuries, token-based voting, and code, rather than layers of management, hence the term autonomous. Many DAOs pay their contributors in their own tokens, which can usually be exchanged for normal money, which we call fiat. Currently, the biggest DAOs are in DeFi. One of these is called Uniswap, and it has around 250,000 different members. And these members can vote on decisions that the DAO takes, and therefore, essentially, this community collectively owns the organization. And DAOs aren't just impacting finance, they're impacting multiple industries, which we'll talk about a bit later, but this includes science, art, data, AI, green economies, publishing as well, and also real estate. There's quite possibly a DAO for anything you can think of, including Pizza DAO,